Okay, creators, here's a problem that I had the other day. I was taking some footage and it was super shaky, and I was like, I'm not gonna look around a tripod to do a pan, and I didn't want to do that, and I was like, okay, internet, YouTube, let's go. And I looked it up, and people were like, just use your camera strap, strap it on the camera, put it around your neck, and boom, you're gonna have stable shots. So I was like, camera strap, yes. And then I was like, okay, where's my camera strap? I know it came in the box with the Lumix, and I was just like, where's the camera strap? So I was like searching around, and I found it. This thing. Super dorky. Super, I don't know. It was like thin and like gross and little dorky strap, and I was like, I'm a budget YouTuber. I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna find a strap. And it took a minute. It really did. And I was like, And then I was playing my guitar. And it hit me. Boom! Okay, so what I did was, I took a guitar strap. So if you don't have a guitar strap, it's okay. Learn to play guitar. Learn to play! Okay, so what I did, I took my strap, and you know, guitar straps, they're sturdy. They're meant to hold an entire guitar. Way heavier than your camera. And it's meant to be worn for a while, you know? This is actually a cheap strap. But this strap is still way better than the strap that came with the camera. So here's what I did. I found an old camera bag and cut it up. I really just wanted it for this swivel on the end that hooks onto the bag. I just cut the connection. It's an old strap, so I wasn't going to miss it much. Anywho, took that, found a carabiner I had laying around, little piece I unhooked from the camera bag strap, and an extra key ring. I put the key ring on the outside tab of my Lumix, hooked that on, took my carabiner, hooked my carabiner up like that, folded the guitar strap, and hooked that onto the carabiner as well. Now I have a customized camera strap. Okay, so here's the test. Just walking down my hallway towards this object, my picture, and that's with the extra point of contact. Sorry it's dark. So I'm going back to the no camera strap. I'm going to try to walk towards the pup just with the 2 points of contact. And there you go. So the Lumix 7 doesn't have in-body stabilization, and that sucks, but I'm going to make the best of it. Sorry, I'm kind of washed out. Don't care. So I didn't even edit that yet. I'm just going to throw them on there. See, you can be the judge for yourself. I just wanted a camera strap. I can sling it on my chest. Have basically a little extra stabilization. Alright guys, so be the judge. You can tell me if you liked it or not. I just did it for free. And it's a better strap than the stock one that came with the camera. You be the judge. You let me know what you think. Luke out. Luke deuces. Please like and subscribe. Till next time.